Hi. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to empty me. To start, open the dustbin by pressing on the cover. You can clean the dustbin very easily by inserting the suction tube of a conventional vacuum cleaner into the designated opening and vacuuming out the bin. Alternatively, you can remove the bin. To do so, use the Removal tab to pull the bin upward. Then remove the filter and empty the bin. Reattach the filter by first setting the left side in place and then the right side. Set the dustbin back into the unit. Finally, close the cover. Now I'm ready to get back to work.